go. Unfortunately, it's another wet day down here at Boynton, but again, South Florida's gonna South Florida. In other words, if it's raining or not, the boat ramp is probably still busy on the weekend, just like we're gonna witness here. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today, as we mentioned already, we're visiting Boynton Beach. This one's always tough. He's got the engine trimmed up a little bit, so he's lost a little control right there, and that mat is almost always in the way. As they come in on the dock, and he's coming in a little shallow. It looks like he could hit the dock. Nope, he pauses, trying to re-angle it to get around. Bringing it, there we go. Hand on the pull to push. Starts to kick out. They're trying to grab a line on, but it's a little early. And they're going to just rub their way up the dock to go ahead and get it on. Side dock. Wavy hanging over the gunnel. Making his approach looks pretty good. Coming in at a pretty good angle and speed right now. One fender out. Another brake check it. And I guess he didn't like that. The angle looked pretty solid to me. Truck up there starting to back out that ramp. Give it up. They're going to go ahead and switch. Wifey on the quick switch as well. He's already grabbed the fender, the lines, and that's how the crew works together right there. She will have this one, it looks like, set up completely before Cap even gets back over to switch up on this other dock. And the amazing part, she's doing it solo. I can't even get my crew when there's 2 or 3 of them on the boat to do it that fast if we got to switch something up. So coming in, again, another slow roll approach. If you look at the flag in the background, it's probably the easier dock setup for him as well. Is that wind's blowing into the dock, which means that all he's got to do is get close and let the wind do its job. And just like crew, getting it set up quickly, Captain's going to land it pretty softly as well. This crew should be good to roll.
You made me nervous, but I did it. Pretty close to the ramp here as they're trying to back that trailer down. And we got another crew coming in on the right. Might be in the bow. They're going to hit the pole. She's going to push off. Oh, and they hit it anyway. And she was trying to push them off the concrete pole. And they wind up smacking into it. Now she's got a line. She's going to try and get this one pulled up. This crew was actually down at the courtesy docks. It went down there, docked it originally there, backed the truck in, and tried to bring it back down here. And that just didn't go quite according to plan. Now they're going to try and get on the trailer. Here we go. They're trying to get this one loaded up. Working on the winching up front. It looks like he's got it where he wants it. He's going to hit with the truck. I guess she's going to keep an eye to make sure we're good to go. Here we go. He's ready to pull her out. She's got the guy pulling one hand, one foot on the dock. I don't know why she's doing that. I guess she's trying to keep it pushed off. She almost goes down as he starts spinning, it looks like. There you go. Just get in the boat and leave it up to no words. That was a close one, as I thought she was taking a dive for a minute. Gonna wind up in the drain. There they go. They don't really have the motors trimmed up, so he's got to be cautious on that as well, because we don't want to drag any props. And maybe that's why he stopped, because he realized they need to do that. So our crew here looks like they're ready to launch. Gonna go ahead and grab some lines. Or not. We're gonna use the orange straps. I guess use what you got. I've become so accustomed to this, I never really see it in my local ramp, but these Miami, Point Marina close to a dock, then you use that to grab the cleat and pull the boat in, and you're good to go. And I watched somebody come in. I thought they were grabbing a boat hook, but they grabbed a hockey stick. They wound up using a hockey stick as a boat hook. Like I said, it's kind of down here like, use what you got. I mean, they don't have any fenders out, so we're just going to use the dock as a fender. But, I mean, lines, we got it covered, I guess. I mean, it worked. So they got to be careful. They're backing down on the dock, and the guy pole is going to hit the dock. And he's putting that trailer and that guy pole right into it. And continuing to back down. There we go. Pull forward now. Come back on him again as he's backing up. Again, the guy pulls on the dock. I wonder if they're even going to be able to pull this on. The trailer kind of put it like that. They're going to try. There you can see the guy pulls into the dock, and then they're able to get the bow around. I guess he's got it deep enough where it's floating over the bumps. But the crew's kind of like hanging on hard as they're trying to get it up there. I'm surprised they were able to hold on. The guy pulling the dock right now. When I see something like that, it makes it pretty difficult. Get the boat angled right, but now they're winching it up. She looks good to go. They should be able to get this one out of here. It's cleared up a little bit. You can see the sun is trying to peek through the dark clouds in the background now. And of course, the second that happens, it slows down. The ramp starts to get a little quieter. So our crew's coming in on approach. Cap, good approach speed, decent angle. We got two fenders out. And our guy looks like he's looking for the lead. Has to be cautious. Doesn't want to do it from too far away. And make sure he leaves enough slack on the line. Almost didn't. Almost didn't have enough line. And I always laugh when I see that one. I keep waiting. Oh, and they go for the leap as well. Where so many leaps, they just don't leave enough slack for the line out, and they wind up in the drink. I've seen it happen a couple times where it's been close, but all the years we've been doing this, I've not actually seen somebody go in the drink from the short line yet, but it's gonna happen one day. This crew looks like they should be good to roll, and speaking of good to roll, we're gonna roll out of here as well. Thanks for watching, crew. Hope you enjoyed this episode of my boat rants. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.